Louisiana Property Tax Appeal 2026, 15 days in August through September to inspect rolls. Welcome. If you own property in Louisiana, your parish assessor determines the assessed value of your property. Louisiana has a unique system with the open book period between August 15th and September 15th each year. The open book period is your first opportunity to identify errors and prepare your appeal. The open book period, August 15th through September 15th. The open book period is the cornerstone of the Louisiana property tax system. Under Louisiana Revised Statute 47-1998, the assessment rolls must be open for public inspection for at least 15 days between August 15th and September 15th. The Orleans Parish exception allows for a 32-day period from July 15th through August 15th. During this window, you can examine the rolls at the parish assessor's office to verify your property's assessed value, ensure the assessment is correct, identify any clerical errors, and compare your property's value with similar properties. This is your opportunity to catch mistakes and begin building your appeal case. How Louisiana property assessment works. Louisiana's property tax system is governed by the Louisiana Constitution Article 7, Section 18, and Louisiana Revised Statutes. Title 47. Real property is reassessed every 4 years under the quadrennial reassessment cycle. The Louisiana Constitution establishes that property must be valued at its fair market value. Key assessment ratios. Residential property at 10% of fair market value, commercial at 15%, public service at 25%, and agricultural land at use value. The Louisiana Tax Commission oversees the assessment process statewide. The legal framework for your appeal. Your right to appeal is protected by multiple layers of Louisiana law. The Louisiana Constitution Article 7, Section 18, establishes the requirement for fair and uniform taxation. Louisiana Revised Statute 47-1998 governs the open book period and your right to inspect assessment rolls. Louisiana Revised Statute 47-2321 defines fair market value and the standards for assessment. Louisiana Revised Statute 47-1989 establishes the right to appeal to the Louisiana Tax Commission. Louisiana Revised Statute 47-2331 governs the quadrennial reassessment cycle. The Louisiana appeal process. Step by step. Step 1. During the open book period from August 15th to September 15th, visit your parish assessor's office to inspect the assessment rolls. Step 2. File an informal appeal with the parish assessor. Many issues are resolved at this level. Step 3. File a formal appeal with the Louisiana Tax Commission. Step 4. Attend a hearing before the Tax Commission. Step 5. Appeal to district court if needed. Valid grounds for appeal and what evidence you need. You can appeal your property assessment on several grounds. The fair market value assigned is too high. Your property is assessed at a higher percentage of value than similar properties. There are clerical errors in the property description, or an exemption was incorrectly denied. To build a strong case, gather comparable sales of similar properties in your area. Take photographs showing defects. Obtain your property record card from the assessor's office, and consider a professional appraisal. The Louisiana Tax Commission hearing. If your appeal is not resolved with the parish assessor, the next step is a formal hearing before the Louisiana Tax Commission. As stated on the Louisiana Tax Commission website at lataxcommission.org, the commission consists of members appointed by the governor. At the hearing, both you and the assessor present evidence. You can represent yourself or hire an attorney. The commission will issue a written decision. You have the right to appeal to district court. Louisiana Homestead Exemption and Relief Programs. The Louisiana Homestead Exemption is one of the most generous in the United States. Under Louisiana Constitution Article 7, Section 20, the first $75,000 of the fair market value of your primary residence is exempt from parish and state property taxes. This exemption can reduce your tax bill by hundreds or even thousands of dollars each year. Additional relief includes the freeze on assessments for homeowners aged 65 and older or disabled veterans. There are also special assessment levels for agricultural and horticultural land. The quadrennial reassessment cycle. Louisiana reassesses real property every 4 years. This quadrennial cycle is mandated by Louisiana Revised Statute 47-2331. Each parish conducts a parish-wide reappraisal of all real property at least once every 4 years. In the years between reappraisals, assessments generally remain unchanged unless there have been new construction, demolitions, or ownership changes. When reappraisal occurs, you may see significant changes in your property's assessed value. 2026 Critical Deadlines. Here are the key dates every Louisiana property owner must know for 2026. July 15th through August 15th, Orleans Parish open book period. August 15th through September 15th, all other parishes open book period. August 15th, deadline for the assessor to file the assessment rolls with the Louisiana Tax Commission. September through October, tax bills mailed by parish tax collectors. November, the Louisiana Tax Commission meets to equalize and approve assessments. December 31st, tax payment deadline for most parishes. Do not miss the open book period. How much can you save? Let us look at real numbers. Example, a home in Baton Rouge with a fair market value of $300,000. The assessed value at 10% is $30,000. After the $75,000 homestead exemption, the taxable assessed value is reduced significantly. At typical millage rates of 100 to 120 mills, the annual tax bill is approximately $2,000 to $2,500. A successful appeal reducing the fair market value by 10% saves approximately $200 to $250 per year. Combined savings from the exemption and a successful appeal can exceed $1,000 per year. Your complete action plan. Here is what to do now. Step 1. Mark your calendar for August 15th. The open book period starts. Visit your parish assessor's office to inspect the assessment rolls. Step 2. Review your property record card carefully. Verify square footage, number of rooms, lot size, and condition. Step 3. Gather evidence now. Collect comparable sales from your neighborhood. Take photos and request your records. Step 4. File your appeal with the assessor if you find errors. Many issues are resolved informally. Step 5. If needed, file a formal appeal with the Louisiana Tax Commission. Do not miss any deadlines. Visit revenue.louisiana.gov for more information.